Hey guys, hope you're well today. Hope you're having a great day or a great week. Yeah, just want to jump on today and just briefly go through walking. Primarily to sort of help drop body weight, lose fat, lose weight in general. It's a big topic. It's a popular topic. A lot of people have put a lot of content out around this on online, and I just wanted to throw my sort of experience in there with it, in terms of how I use it and how effective it's been. And so, first and foremost, I do think it's probably the best exercise you can utilise at the moment for burning fat, especially as we're getting older, and we don't want to be pushing our bodies, too hard, using all the more high intensity style workouts, which I used to do probably 15-20 years ago. I think walking is obviously it's got more popularity over the last 15 years, because remember when I got into fitness maybe 20 as a trainer 15 years ago now, maybe a bit longer than that. All the rage was really short, high intensity workouts. They were seen as the way forward for burning fat, and a lot of that was, I don't know whether it was credible research, but a lot of it was based on the after effect, the afterburn. You would work hard and then you would get this lovely afterburn effect, so you'd be burning calories for 15-20 hours after your workout. I don't know how cool that was, but it was effective. I certainly used it and got good results with it, and my clients did as well. But ultimately over the last 10 years we've seen a big move more towards like a zone 2 cardio, which is more steady state, which is what we used to do when I first got training, maybe back in late 80s. Most bodybuilders that I used to know, we were just walking around, they go on the treadmill, and that's all they did, and they just drift weights and walk, which is probably come full circle nearly to that now. So anyway, so obviously it's now an integral part of my routine, and most people that you see online now, or trainers, will definitely be recommending this to the clients. Obviously we know the problem with it is obviously you have to do a lot of it for it to get results for you. So we're talking, the magic number is 10,000 steps a day, which is, everyone seems to be working around that figure. I don't think it is a magic number. It's definitely a very good benchmark to aim for. I think people can get results walking less than that, and I think some people need more than that. I had a friend of mine who was walking up to 15,000 steps a day as part of his program, and that was working really well for him. But again, I have to be realistic in terms of fitting that in to my day. That's difficult. I'm struggling at the moment just to fit 10,000 in. Working full time, as many as you are watching this probably, it's difficult. And going to the gym or doing other workouts or training and fitting life and just generally fitting other things in, trying to find 10,000 steps a day is difficult. So the key is, I just wanted to throw how I get around that. It's obviously you're going to have to accept it, right? If you want to get results, then you're going to have to accept it. That's first and foremost. It's not something you can wing it. You just have to say, well, that's it. And you have to find a way. So at the moment, you either have, your time, your day, your schedule. You fit that in. At the moment I have to go out in the morning. I have to have a small lunchtime walk now. Then in the evening I'll go out again. Weather dependent. That's how I fit it in, rather than ideally for me it'd be one big long walk every morning, but I don't have that time, that flexibility at the moment. But the weekends, for example, I'll just do, like Saturday I'll go out, and if I've had a poor week in terms of steps in the week for whatever reason, like the weather's been shocking or work's been too much or there's just been things going on, I've not got it in, I'll try and make up the steps over the weekend. So I'll have, Saturday and Sunday I'll be having long walks, and I'll probably be in either one long walk, one big hike, or I'll break it down into two sort of morning and evening walks to sort of fit it in. And I find that works as well. Also as well, it's what I'll try and do is mix up the walks. Now my lunchtime walk here is pretty much the same every day, just because of location. But what I'll try and do is mix up the speed of it. So I'll put some more effort into it. I'll try and beat time. I'll try and beat the time. So I'm doing the same amount of steps, but I'm doing it, you know, with more intensity. Again, you know, try and get that heart rate up, try and get that calorie burn up, because over time you keep just doing the same walk, strolling around, your body will adapt. You'll be burning less energy. So try and mix it up. Try and add some level of either speed to it or resistance to the walking. So, you know, find a hill in your area where you live, you know, walk up there every day if you can, and again, combining resistance and maybe like some sort of intensity. So you're trying to beat your time. But I'm always trying to beat my last time. So for example, today, you know, if I did it in 29 minutes, I'll be looking at 28 minutes or 28.8, whatever for whatever it is. I'm just trying to beat that all the time, to the point where I can't beat it anymore. And then I'm going to look for a different walk and start again. So I think it's just about mixing it up, fitting it in when you can, and again at the weekends try and make up that deficit if you've had a poor week, and you know, go from there. So hopefully that's giving you a couple of ideas to sort of work with. Again, let me know how you're getting on with your steps. Are you getting them in every day? Are you struggling like me some weeks? How you get them in, and yeah, results you're getting, you know, is it an effective form of cardio for you, or do you have to do a lot more to get the results you want? For example, you know, I will realize that the steps at the moment is just probably not enough, so I'm probably gonna have to find time or get down something to fit another sort of cardio based workout in, which could be like a boxing session, or it could be skipping, it could be getting on a stationary bike, you know, just to get the heart rate up for a bit longer. Anyway, so hope that's helped. Again, yeah, saying please, if you're new to this channel, please, you know, and you like the content, please subscribe. It helps me out. Please share and like, because that'll help the video get seen more, and that all helps the channel, which I really appreciate. Okay guys, see you in the next one. Cheers, bye.